South by Southwest is the premier conference and festival for professionals in the tech, film, and music industries. Located in Austin, Texas, South by Southwest provides unparalleled opportunities for learning, professional development, and networking with roughly 74,000 attendees from around the world. Each year, grooveu students attend South by Southwest as an integral part of their curriculum and professional development. The trip is included in tuition.
My goals are to meet a lot of people and make a lot of connections when I'm at South by, and I want to take the time that I'm there to really enjoy every second that I'm there. This is like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I'm going to overwork myself. I'm going to be out until 2 a.m. every night. I'm going to wake up at 8 doing every possible thing that I can.
The conference portion takes place at the Austin Convention Center and surrounding hotels, including the attached Hilton, which is where grooveu students typically stay. South by Southwest is made up of keynotes, panels, meetups, mentor sessions, expositions, activations, film screenings, and most importantly, music showcases. South by Southwest is most often known for its music festival. Close to 2,000 artists perform on over 90 stages.
The band that I've seen so far was called Moon Panda at the Registration Lounge. They were this really cool, funky indie pop sound. It was phenomenal. The lead singer had great vocals, just all good.
That keynote was good. I liked what he was saying, once you publish something for the first time, it doesn't have to be done.
Everything that I've ever been taught about social media management and content creation has been you need to post X amount of times a week with this many different types of content, and it was really cool to kind of hear you don't need to do that. Find trends, but you don't need to do every single one to go viral as a brand. You can just find the ones that fit for you, and people are going to like it.
There are 3 major expos that occur during the South by Southwest conference. The Creative Industries Expo is an opportunity for companies and startups to show off their emerging tech and product launches. Flatstock is a giant art show featuring the works of the world's top gig poster artists. You can meet and purchase prints directly from artists themselves. Historically, there has also been a large gaming expo, but likely because of COVID, it didn't happen this year.
Yeah, I met a lot of cool artist managers and stuff at the managers meetup, so that was really cool. Got a lot of business cards and gave a lot out.
Yeah, the meetups were really valuable.
Many of Austin's downtown venues will be transformed for the week by brand activations. Some of the world's largest media and tech companies will host lounges and parties, including Slack, Porsche, Shure, Doc Martens, and in previous years, Netflix, Spotify, Samsung, and Microsoft. South by Southwest is a site of many independent and bigger-name film premieres and screenings. In 2019, there were over 130 feature films and 131 shorts screened. South by Southwest is often used by large established companies to premiere the most cutting-edge technology and where promising new startups will launch their grand opening. For example, Twitter launched at South by Southwest in 2007 and Foursquare launched in 2009. The buzz at the 2022 conference was the future of concerts. One company in particular, Wisdom, is using 360 immersive audio and video to make concerts not just a music experience, but a sensory art installation also. In recent years, South by Southwest has added other conference tracks like comedy, climate change, and space, in addition to the interactive music and film tracks. But also, Austin is just a great city. We consume a lot of tacos and barbecue in a week. The weather in March is also a nice respite from Ohio's chilly spring. So, will you join grooveu's crew at South by Southwest 2023? Register for an upcoming Campus Experience Day to learn more and start planning your trip.